Welcome to a game-changing world of DIY protein production. Are you ready to discover the secrets that could revolutionize your fitness routine? In this video, we're diving deep into a revolutionary method of protein production using microbial fermentation. While many rely on expensive supplements, we'll show you how to build a cost-effective, efficient setup right in your home. Imagine producing your own protein source using just simple ingredients and a touch of science. As we navigate through this thrilling adventure, we'll discuss how to harness the power of yeast and algae to create proteins from CO2. But wait, air only contains 0.04% CO2, so how can we optimize this process economically? That's where the genius of sugar fermentation comes into play. We'll reveal how you can source inexpensive sugar, allowing you to ferment and cultivate protein efficiently. Get ready for an engaging, hands-on journey where we'll cover everything from sourcing materials to the step-by-step process of setting up your own microbial fermentation system. You'll learn how to create nutrient solutions using ammonium salts for nitrogen, phosphate salts for phosphorus, and Epsom salt for magnesium, ensuring optimal bacterial growth. Prepare to be fascinated as we uncover this scientific marvel that not only offers an endless supply of protein, but does so in a way that's environmentally friendly and sustainable. Here's what you need: sugar, the primary ingredient for fermentation, which you can obtain from your local grocery store. Look for cane sugar or corn syrup. Yeast. Purchase active dry yeast from the baking aisle. This is essential for the fermentation process. Ammonium salts. These can be found at gardening supply stores or online. They provide the nitrogen necessary for yeast growth. Phosphate salts. Look for monoammonium phosphate, MAP, or other phosphate fertilizers, also available in gardening stores or online. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate. This can be found in pharmacies or grocery stores and is crucial for providing magnesium, essential for yeast metabolism. Water. Use clean, filtered water for the best results. Step 2. Preparing the fermentation mixture. 4 minutes. 1. Dissolving ingredients. Begin by mixing 100 grams of sugar in 1 liter of water. Stir until fully dissolved. 2. Adding nutrients. To this sugar solution, add 5 grams of ammonium salts for nitrogen, 5 grams of phosphate salts for phosphorus, 2 grams of Epsom salt for magnesium. 3. Inoculating with yeast. Sprinkle 10 grams of active dry yeast into the mixture. Stir gently to incorporate the yeast evenly. Step 3. Creating the fermentation environment. Fermentation vessel. Use a glass jar or a food-grade plastic container. Ensure it has an airtight seal to prevent contamination, but allows for gas release during fermentation. Temperature control. Maintain a warm environment, around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius or 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal yeast activity. This can be done using a warm spot in your home or an incubator. Step 4. Monitoring the fermentation process. Observation. Over the next few days, check your fermentation mixture daily. You should observe bubbles forming as CO2 is produced, a sign that the yeast is active. Duration. Let the fermentation run for about 5 to 7 days. The mixture should smell yeasty and slightly sour, indicating successful fermentation. Step 5. Harvesting and utilizing the protein. Once fermentation is complete, you can separate the liquid protein from the yeast biomass. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh or cheesecloth. The resulting liquid can be rich in proteins, and you can add this to smoothies or protein shakes for an extra boost. The yeast itself can be dried and powdered for direct supplementation. By utilizing this DIY microbial fermentation project, you're not only creating a sustainable source of protein, but also embracing a lifestyle that reduces reliance on commercially produced protein powders, which often come with environmental costs. If you found this video enlightening, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the knowledge by sharing this video. Explore our channel for more cutting-edge insights and transformative ideas that empower your everyday life.